On level 3, are you ready? This is Mr. John, and we're gonna start Unit 6 all together. Ready? Okay. I hope you have done your homework first, okay? Don't start with me. You should have done it before. Okay. Now, today we're gonna talk about kitchen. I like kitchen. Why? Because it's the most favorite room for me for eating. I like eating. I hate cooking. Can you cook? For me, I can't cook, but I am professional eating. Yeah. So let's go. So here we go. What can we do, guys? Here, what can you say? Maybe I can help you with the drawing something there. So the butter is here. Milk is here. Onions there. Mushrooms. What are they? They are here. Tomatoes, chili, sugar, and flour. Be careful about guys. It's a flour. It's not flour. It's a flour. Flour. Okay. Now let's go. When you want to make any cake or something, your mommy give you a list. You say go to Beam, use Beer, Megros, and buy this stuff, right? So this is a list of shopping. It's really good. So shopping list. We have a butter and we have 6 what guys? 6. Check the answers, please. Okay. 6 chilies, as you see, and a bottle of milk, and we have 4 mushrooms, a big bag of what flour, and 7 tomatoes, 3 onions, and a small bag of sugar. That's cool. Yeah, so let's go next. Now, easy hot milk cake. I don't know about this food. Maybe it's gonna be good. So for this cake, you need what, guys? You need milk, and number 2, you need butter. You can also what, guys? Need flour and 1 spoon of sugar. Yeah, I don't know this food. Maybe it's good or not. So delicious salad, my favorite. Salad is really, really important. For this salad, you need what? 2 tomatoes and an onion. You can put olives, peppers, and mushrooms in it too. In it too. Yeah. So mushrooms, onions, and salad. It's okay. I think it's gonna be nice. So here we go. As you see here, maybe you can add yours, no problem. Let's make a salad, fruit salad. So we need a banana, a fruit, a peach, we can say tomato, apple, kiwi, orange, grapes, as you see here. So you can add whatever you want to make your fruit salad. Now let's go next part. The next part, we're gonna talk about something really easy, good. Oh, okay, this is about grammar. Let's go back to the grammar book. Okay, level 3. As you remember, guys, we have done a lot of things before. Now we're gonna go about there is, there are. When I say there is, guys, it means something one. But when I say there are, I mean 2 plus. Okay, so more than 2, 2 and more. Okay, sometimes we have countable and uncountable. This is another issue. When I say countable, okay, countable, so something that you can count. For example, a car, cars. So you can say are. But uncountable all the time we use it as like is. Okay, we don't make it like as a plural. You can say so. Okay. So let's go back to the book and see that all together. Now let's see. 2 tomatoes. So they are. Some sugar. So some sugar, if you say are is wrong, it's gonna be there is some. There is some sugar. Not there are some sugar. There is some sugar. Here, milk, some milk. I can't say there are some milk. There is some milk. But here, mushrooms, we guys, what is it? It's are. And here, what to say? There is a tomato, a tomato. Here, guys, look, here's some, and some. Yeah, no problem. But you have to look here. So when I say sugar, there is milk. I say there is. But here, what I say? Mushrooms. Mushrooms. It means that not 1, 2, 3, more. Okay, not 2 or more. So that's why we say are. Okay, so that's if you are asking yourself why that happened. Okay, now let's go down and see what can we do all together. So right, there is or there are in boxes. So, number one, there are some chilies. Nice. Here, chilies. Okay. Two. And we're gonna choose what that's we're talking about. There is some milk. Okay. There is some milk. An onion. An onion. There is an onion. Two mushrooms. Two mushrooms. There are two mushrooms. Some butter. There is not one. We can say some carrots. Carrots are. So, is it A or B or C? What do you think about it, guys? Yes. Yes, what do you think, guys? It's C. Look, as you see here, we have two mushrooms, three carrots, one onion, or an onion, and look, and butter, milk and butter. That's good. It's easy. Not bad, but you have to focus a little bit to understand what's going on. So there are some, there aren't any, there aren't any, there isn't any, there aren't any, there is some. So let's go back to our note grammar. Okay, so look guys here, for example, there is not means isn't. We say guys any. So there isn't any. There isn't what? Any. People say there isn't any, there isn't any, or whatever. There are not, again, aren't any. Okay, here when just talking about something, guys, negative, and here we talk about negative. There isn't any, no. Okay, but if I'm talking about some, when I say guys, I don't use any. What I'm gonna use, guys, I'm gonna say some. So example, but you're not gonna use it now. Wait just a minute. So let's write it down again. There is some. There are some. Okay, guys, look here. As you see, oops. So there is some, there are some. You can use it now. Oh, sorry, or you can use it. There are some. There is some, and there are some kids. You can use that, sorry. You can use it, but it's according to what you are using for, okay? So there is some water, and there are some kids. So something like that, okay? So let's continue and see if it's gonna work with that or not. So here we go. Okay. Now let's see here. What can you see in this photo altogether? There is some milk. Okay, because milk is something is you can't say are. That's why you can say sometimes are when it's something countable like car. There are some cars out there. Okay. Now mushrooms. Where are they? So there aren't any mushrooms. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there aren't any mushrooms. So that's why I couldn't see that. Okay. Orange. Can you see orange? Yeah. Yeah. There are some orange, like four or something. Cheese, 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 cheese. No, I think no. There isn't any cheese. Juice, 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 juice. I think no. There isn't any juice. Eggs. Nope. No, we can't say that. There aren't any eggs. Not isn't. Because I'm saying eggs. So aren't, not isn't. Okay. That's cool. Let's go down and look at this picnic. I like going picnic now. I feel like going there. Guys, look, a lot of things to eat and have fun there. Is there any milk? Is that milk or water? No, there isn't. Ah, this is a water then. So, is there any bread? Of course. Yeah, there is. Are there any olives? Yes, there are. Are there any biscuits? Biscuits. Be careful about pronunciation. Biscuits. Biscuits. Are there any biscuits? Yes. 555. No. No, there aren't. Is there any cheese? Cheese. Yes, there is. Yeah, this one. Now let's go here and see what we do. Is there any cakes? Sorry, is there any cake? No, there isn't. Is there a tomato? A tomato? Yes, there is. Okay, you look again here and make some questions. So, an apple. Number 3. Is there an apple? Is there an apple? No, there isn't. Are there any eggs? Any eggs? Yes, there are. Are there any sandwiches? No, there aren't. Okay. Sandwiches? No. You're gonna prepare that. Okay. That's good. We're doing great so far. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Now let's see if you can cook. If you can cook, let's see if you can make this. It's gonna be super crazy. Now let's see. Look and number. Add, measure, pour, make, serve, and chop. Again, listen carefully. Add, you add something. Measure, up, down, maybe it's good or not. Pour, you pour something. Mix, serve, you give it to people or your friend or family, or if you're working as a waiter. And chop, chopping. So let's see. This one is pouring something. This is chopping. This is measuring. This is adding, mixing, and serving. Okay, to serve something. It's really good to understand that way. Now add, chop, mix, pour, and serve. So you're gonna use it one by one until you finish the word. Okay, let's see. What is this? Is it ice cream? Something like this. Let's have a healthy snack. I like that. So let's see. First, pour. Yeah, the yogurt into a big bowl. Choose some fruit like an apple and banana. Chop the fruit. Chop the fruit. Look, chopping it. So first this one. Next one, chopping the fruit. And then, what is it, guys? Mix yogurt with the fruit. Then pour a little brown sugar in the onto the yogurt and fruit. Then, what do we guys do here? You can give extra some nuts, and later on you can serve it. It's cold. Serve it as a cold. Okay, it should be cold, not hot. It is healthy and it's yummy. Yeah, I think it's okay, but I'm not into that. So let's see here what's going on. Oh, they are making pizza? There is something flying. Woohoo, like that. Cool. Now you see. Number one, she's chopping an onion easy or easily. So we are here talking about adjectives. No, sorry, adverbs. Okay. So for example, I go to school. How do you go to school? Quickly. I sleep. I sleep how? For example, peacefully. So I dance. How? Fast. So here we are explaining how do we do the verb in a very fast way, slow way, easy, hard, whatever is that. So the common way to make it as adverb, normally common way, 90% you have to put ly. Okay, ly. For example, easy, easily, but good is different. Okay, now let's see. This is a regular no. So our dad cooks well. We don't say goodly. No, we say well. This is, you have to memorize it. So she can throw the pizza high. You can't say highly. No ly. Okay. They cook carefully. This is okay. Mix butter, sugar, and egg quickly. No problem. He's eating soup noisily, like this. That's not good. You can't make that way. Look what the hell is doing though. So look here. This is number three. He's eating that noisily. He can cook. What? My daddy can cook that way? No way. Never. And here we say number four. Number four was mixing butter quickly. And here number one. No, number four, carefully. Yeah, carefully, not to break it down. And here we mixing careful. What is that? Quickly. Yeah. Now let's go and see what can we do together here. Now ingredients, like what mean ingredients, guys? These are the ingredients. Where are they? Let's go back. Show you what mean ingredients. So yeah, ingredients, for example, yeah, this, no, this is the way you make ingredients. Oh, they, the oil, we have it here. Yeah, for example, there are ingredients to make a pizza. For example, if you want to make pizza, what are the ingredients that you want to make? Okay, so we need flour, you need tomatoes, you need what else? Olives, cheese. Yeah, so they are the ingredients. They carefully measure, and so you have to put them in correctly. So measure the ingredients carefully, like to have to be, for example, 1 cup of flour, a bar of cheese, and something like that. Number two, and mix quickly sugar butter. So mix the butter and the sugar quickly. 3, add milk, the eggs slowly and so add the eggs and the milk slowly. Cool. 4, cook the cupcakes well. And 5, serve the cupcakes quickly when they are hot. That's really good. Okay, so serve it as hot. Yeah, there should be hot, not cold. Yeah, so now let's go and see our good story. Ready? Let's see. Little Crown's cheese. Little Crown's cheese. Now let's see. Giraffes, hippos, and zebras are hungry. Now let's see. I can get it. Watch. I can get it. Watch. Look, little crows, hot, got some cheese. Oh, the crows, this black big bird. Yeah, I like cheese. Oh, mashallah. Everyone likes eating now. Little Crows is eating her cheese. Good morning, Little Crows. Good morning, Giraffe. How are you? I'm fine. Give me some cheese. The cheese falls down. Oh no, my cheese. Mmm, this is delicious. I want some too. Oops, they started to eat. Little Crows is sad. She calls her dad. Daddy, they've got my cheese. Oh, dear Little Crow. Next time, eat your food first, then talk. Because he opened and started to talk and it fell down. Now, next time, Daddy Crows gives Little Crows some more cheese. What are you eating, Little Crows? Can we have some too? Wait, Little Crows, eat first, then talk. So if he gonna talk, they're gonna fall down. So eat, finish, and then talk. Little Crows eats her cheese, but she wants more food. Look, I've got banana for everyone. Thanks. Thank you, Giraffe. Yeah, that's really good. So when they are helping each other, they are having fun. Cool. Now let's see here. Now is hungry. The hippo. Here got some cheese. The crow. Here the crow again. No, hippo wants the cheese. And here the crows learns to make mistakes. And the last thing, the giraffe gives everyone bananas. I lie. Giraffe is good one here, actually. It's doing well. So, what does giraffe says to little crows? Good morning, little crow. And then, whoops. Why is a little crow sad? Because he lost, or because hippo eats his cheese. Yeah, yum yum. It was great. Who gives the little crow more cheese? The daddy crow gives little crow more cheese. Now, what does little crow learn? First eat, then talk. Of course, this is a good way. So you can color the story as you wish. Let's go with the review. Sorry, with the reading. Now, let's go with the reading, guys. Number 1, what's here? Prawns. Yeah, they like the prawns. Yeah, it's kind of fish, but they're not super delicious. I don't know. 2, oil. Yeah, it's really good. 3, garlic, not onion, garlic. And the last thing, 4, spices. Okay. So let's have pasta with what? With the prawns for dinner. Number 2, pour oil on the salad. I can chop the onions. No onions. Garlic, sorry. My grandma cooks with lots of spices. Oh my goodness, it's really hard for the stomach. Now let's read the recipe. So let's read it. A recipe. How can we say it, guys? Recipe, not receipt or I don't know. Recipe. A recipe from Spain. Recipe, it means the way that you can cook. For example, first you put the flour, put water, you can mix it, you spread it, you put cheese, you can after that add mushrooms, tomatoes. So this is the recipe, the measurement and everything, okay? So I'm from Seville in Spain, and one of my favorite dishes is gazpacho. Gazpacho? I don't know that food. Do you know it? It's a like soup, but it's cold. We eat it in summer when it's very hot. To make gazpacho, you need lots of tomatoes, some cucumber, 1 green peppers, 1 onion, some bread, and some garlic. You can need also some oil. So let's see. Now this is the way. Look, this is, we say, the recipe. What can you do? Okay, the recipe. Now, number one, first chop the tomatoes, cucumber, peppers, onions, and garlic. All of them, they chop them out. Okay, put them in the mixer. Okay, next add the bread and oil. Cool. Then put gazpacho in the fridge for half an hour, and finally add some salt and serve it cold. That's nice. So these two things, guys, that we don't have it in our. We don't have mushrooms, and we don't have cheese. We have everything back. That's nice. So let's go here and go with the writing. So let's go. What is this, guys, here? Garlic, cook, then, and the prawns. First of all, let's put them in order. Then cook the prawns and the garlic. Serve finally with the French fries, rice. Finally serve the prawns with the ice. Okay. Number one, first chop the garlic. Next, put the oil in the pan. So now we put them in order. Number one, chop first garlic. First chop the garlic. Two, then cook the prawns and the garlic. Three, next put oil in the pan, and then you can finally serve it to the with prawns with the rice. I ate it once, but I didn't like it much. Okay, so now my recipe for pizza is the easiest one. Okay, ingredients, what you need, writing them down, and cooking steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add, mix, cut, chop. You can write it down and tell me how it's gonna be. Now review. Now we get number one, guys. It's pouring. Number two, guys. What do we need? The old thing is, what is that, guys? Milk. Yeah, milk, flour, and sugar. Here we have major, chop, and spices. So which one is it old? It's spices. Here we have mixing. Here we have chilies, and we have mushrooms. Sorry. Oh my goodness. So which one is gonna be, guys, here? Number four. It's mixing. It's out of that, right? Cool. Now can you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's see. Can you add some oil in the salad, please? Yes. 2. Pancake hot. Serve it. Serve it. Like give it to people. There are lots of Indian spices in Indian food. Oh my goodness. They use something that more than the food. I don't know. They're crazy. My hands are white. There is flour on them. Yeah, there is flour on them. Do you drink milk for breakfast? I don't want any butter on my bread. Can you chop these onions, please? That's cool. Okay. So it's actually they're easy, not big deal. Now let's go and see the recipe for this. I love prawns. Okay, nice. So what can I do for you? My dad cooks them with some oil or butter. So one of these two. Then he adds some garlic. Garlic. He serves the prawns with tomatoes and salad. I like lots of what? Lots of onions. Yeah, onions in my salad. Okay, we're doing good. Nice, nice, nice. I think we're gonna be finished soon, right? Okay, this is the last page. Yeah, so let's see. Correct the sentences and see. So let's correct it. Number one, there is an onion. Nope. There are 12 onions, not one, 12. There aren't any mushrooms. No, there are some mushrooms. There isn't any cheese. No, there are some cheese. There are some watermelons. There is a watermelon. There is one, okay, not some. And there is some butter. No, there isn't any butter there. Okay, there isn't any. I can't see. Can you see? Now let's go and we finish here. We need to go to the supermarket. There isn't any salad. Okay. Is there any juice? Juice, 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 juice. Yes, there is. There is some butter too. Good. So eggs. Are there any eggs? Nope. No, we need to get some. There are flour, mushrooms, 2 tomatoes, and 3 carrots. Okay. Is there any cheese? No, butter that one. No, there isn't any. That's really good. Okay, we're doing good, guys, so far. This is Unit 7 later on. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys. I love you all. This is Mr. John. Take care. Please focus and try to study as much as you can. This is your best chance to start from now and go up more and more. Okay, guys? Love you all. This is Mr. John. Cheers.